With SOLIDWORKS 2018, you can capture design ideas even faster using a Windows Touch-enabled device by freehand sketching with either your finger, pen, or stylus directly in a sketch. Using the brand new set of tools available from the Command Manager, first set your preferred pen thickness and color and you're ready to go. As you sketch on screen, choose whether your captured pen or finger strokes are converted into shapes ideal for concepts or directly into sketch entities, ready for feature creation. Relations to surrounding geometry can be automatically inferred as you go, enabling instant capture of design intent. Pen strokes defined as shapes can be converted into sketch entities at any time, giving you complete flexibility as your ideas develop. When finished, the resulting sketch can be manipulated and modified and used to create features just like any other. Gesture-based sketching in SOLIDWORKS 2018 offers a completely new approach to capturing rapid-fire design ideas, whether you're in the office or on the go.